This 1,500-year-old indicator could go viral, especially for what it's predicting Bitcoin will do next. It's time for you to buckle up. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I'm going to help you get one step closer to your financial freedom. We've got some incredible charts to get through today. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. But I want to start out with something that will change your life drastically more than anything else in this space. And that's invest in yourself. For Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we have an absurd up to 75% off. You need to get your education. And once you do, it could unlock your future. I took 20 years of my trading experience, condensed it down into the most premium courses on the market. That's where you're going to learn my personal trading strategy. And then our new indicator bundle. That's where you get alerts right to your phone, right to your email. So you can either sign up to the courses or the indicator bundle, or the most popular thing is 75% off, sign up all in one. You get my courses and the indicator bundle. It's a game changer. This is what you and your family have been waiting for. Talk about a holiday gift for you, your wife, your significant other. This is it. My courses have minted so many millionaires. I want you to be next to get you on that path to financial freedom. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Sign up right there. The link will be down below. It'll be pinned in the comments, but limited time, up to 75% off. I look forward to welcome you in. Now, let's get back to here. So what you have in front of you are three distinct cycles that Bitcoin went through. And we put up a very simple chart for you to understand what happened. We went from the high price down to our low pivot, okay? And you can see what it's saying with the Fibonacci sequence, okay? So the Fibonacci retracement, the Fibonacci sequence, it's been around forever. It was first really talked about in the 12th century, but it's even dated back significantly before that. And you can find it in all sorts of naturally occurring things in nature and all over the world, okay? But we use it here for a purpose. It has an amazing power that you are missing out on if you do not use the Fibonacci sequence, okay? So we use the Fibonacci retracement, and basically what it's saying is like, look, in this, what we'll call cycle 1 and cycle 2 and cycle 3, we have similar patterns that happen. And basically I took all the noise out and just left the bottom, top, and this level, the 1.618. So you've probably heard about the 618 pretty frequently, but this is the 1.618, okay? And basically each cycle, we come up to this level, right? We come up to this level based on what our previous high and low was. We come up to this very specific level, okay? This mathematical sequence of a level. And we have a lot of trouble with this level. And month after month after month, we battle with this level, and then we finally get through that level, and then we peak up so far at the 2.36, right? This is what happened back here in 2013. Then you fast forward and you say, oh, well, this will never happen again precisely like that. Math is just fugazi, numbers. Who cares about numbers? Just show me how to make a Lambo by tomorrow. Okay, the Fibonacci sequence could help you get there. And here's how, right? So we took our high price, our low price, and voila, this 1.618 ended up being at this level that we struggled with. And once we got through that level, voila, we topped at precisely the 2.36. Pretty much the exact same as we did in the prior cycle. Okay, so we can compare a lot of this to our 3-box theory, which we will in a moment, but I'm more interested in showing you what's happening now and what could happen with this 2.36, what number that gets us to. So let's take a look at what's happening now, right? We had our high price at 20K, we had our low down here like 3,000, whatever it was, 3,001, and voila, the 1.618 brings us right here, which month after month after month after month after month after month we struggled with. What do you think? Is this just some fugazi, or is math a real thing that we should pay attention to? Probably something that maybe you wish you paid a little bit more attention to in school, but now that you're here, you come to this channel, you learn about the facts, you're starting to pay more attention to these things that are highly important for you to understand the chart at a deeper level and for you to understand the movement, okay, and these psychological barriers that happen. This is a barrier that we have yet to get through. This is why Bitcoin has been struggling. This is why we've hit a wall. This is why there's a lull. This is why this is the calm before the storm. It's because of this 1.618. And we can also say, hey, you know, with the 3-box theory, anytime we've gotten into this 3-box, box number 1, box number 2, box number 3, we hit a wall. Okay, Bitcoin crashed all the way down to the bottom, which is a 1.5x multiple of the previous all-time high, and the top of the box is a 4x multiple. Once we get out of that, then we're off to the races, right? And you can see that each time inside the box, we had top number 1, and we were waiting for that true top number 2. We had top number 1, we were waiting for that true top number 2. Top number 1, we're waiting for that true top number 2, right? All of these things coincide. But the main question that you have right now is, well, where does this 2.36 get, and what should happen next in Bitcoin? Well, it's pretty simple. We're battling this level, and once we get through it and confirm a support above it, that's when the blow off top happens. That's when the market cycle really picks up steam. It's going to move very, very quickly. Everyone will be beside themselves with joy, but history tells us that it also ends fairly quickly, right? Here it was one breakthrough month and then 1 month to the top. Here it was 1 to 3 months to the top, and we're not sure what's going to happen this cycle. But that's the main level to watch, is this level right here, which is about 64.3K. 64.3K is that level of the 1.618. That's what we are watching, okay? So let's scroll. Let's see what this 2.36 gets us, right? Because again, once we broke through here, we ran all the way up to the 2.36. Once we broke through this 1.618, we went all the way up to the 2.36. So where's the 2.36 today? Let's take a look, okay? We're gonna scroll, and here we are, the 2.36. And by the way, this is not some pie in the sky, hey, I fingers crossed, I hope it reaches here, or some prediction. This is just the facts in this chart. These are the facts using what's in front of you right here with the prior 3 cycles. Is this me making some crazy prediction, hoping for the wind and somebody paying for my prediction? No, this is us using just precisely the facts in the math of this sequence to provide you some evidence that it could reach this high just based on the facts, okay? So it is an exuberant number, but let's take a look. So again, 64.3K is where we're at right here. And then the 2.36, it puts us not at the 120s, not at the 130s, not in the 160s, not in the 170s, not even 190,000 Bitcoin. It's saying that we're actually going to reach up to here, about 267K, which sounds absurd. I believe wholeheartedly one day we'll be at 267. I'm not sure that'll happen with this cycle. This is not my prediction. I'm not sure. Nobody is sure. Nobody knows for sure. If there's any human on planet Earth that tells you they know for sure, they're full of crap, okay? But this is a possibility, okay? So I wanted to share this chart with you. This is fascinating. It goes along with our 3-box theory, and it's something new and fresh to keep you energized and looking at the future. And again, we've hit a wall. There's nothing to be concerned with. This is where we're supposed to have trouble. And once we get through, this is where things start to pick up. So again, up to 75% off for Black Friday. Go sign up right now. And hopefully the website's not crash. I know so many people flocked to the site as soon as the sale hit, and we're still in the early moments of the sale, so go pick up yours right now. 75% off for the all-in-one. You can read more about it here. If you have any questions, you can contact me on the website, cryptocrewuniversity.com. And again, this is your ticket to financial freedom. This will get you one step closer to your financial freedom, and financial freedom is what you want. So I look forward to welcome you in. I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.